Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert. Today we are going to assemble a detachable constant voltage regulator using 7/8 series regulator. Similar to IC base, here also if the regulator is faulty, you can replace it without desoldering and soldering. Subscribe to my channel for getting new videos like this. Also press bell icon so you will never miss any videos from my channel. This is a 5 volt regulator. You can see it is written at 7805. Similarly, this is a 12 volt regulator. You can see it is written as 7812. This is a female PCB socket which is used along with the male PCB pins. For our application, we are only using female socket pins. I have cleverly cut 3 female socket pins. I have assembled everything in this PCB. I have added an 1N4007 diode in series with the input line for blocking the input polarity reversal. All 7/8 series regulators has 1.5 ampere maximum capacity. 1N4007 diode has maximum capacity of 1 ampere. I do not prefer to use 7/8 series regulators for load which draws more than 1 ampere. Up to 1 ampere is fine. I didn't solder the regulator in this PCB. We will insert the regulator into the socket. The female PCB pin can handle more than 3 ampere. If you want to replace this regulator, simply pull it out and insert a new regulator into this socket. I have connected all the wires, and first we will test using 5 volt regulator, and then we will test using 12 volt regulator by simply replacing the regulator chip. Now you can see the output of the regulator is having 4.8 volt and the input is 14.87 volt. Now we will disconnect the input and will replace the 5 volt regulator with a 12 volt regulator chip. For that, simply pull the 5 volt regulator from the PCB and then insert a 12 volt regulator into the PCB socket. Now we can again check the output voltage. Now you can see the output voltage is having 11.9 volt. We can connect a 12 volt 20 watt LED as a load and will check how the regulator is responding. The LED is drawing more than 1 ampere, that is why the voltage has dropped to 11 volt. The input also has dropped nearly 1 volt. The regulator started heating because I didn't connect the heatsink to the regulator. Please like and share this video among your friends. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.